Welcome to Easify. In this video, let's learn the new international call feature in Easify Global. Before starting your call, make sure your external provider is connected and active. First, let's select the calls from the navigation bar. Click here to open the Easify dialer. Enter the recipient's phone number here. Click here to select the recipient's country code. Choose the country you want from the list, which enables you to call your recipients wherever they are. Make sure you selected the correct From number and click the Call button to initiate the call. Once you're done, end the call by clicking the red Hang Up button. Now that the call is completed, you will get a pop-up to add this contact directly to your contact list. Fill in all the fields in the Add Contact pop-up. If you don't have every detail available right now, that's okay. Just make sure the mandatory ones are completed. Then click the Submit button to save your new contact. Now you will receive this Add Call Notes pop-up. In this pop-up, you can add a label and notes depending on how your call went, so that it will be easier for future references. Now click the Save button to add this entry to the call logs. This is your call logs page. You can find every single call you made in the past here. Easify will keep a recording of every call you make, so that you can listen to it again if you want. Click here to view more actions on this log. If you're planning to call this number frequently in the future, you can add it to your favorites by clicking here. Now let's find this newly added number in the contacts. First, navigate to the Contacts page to view and manage your contact list. This is your contact page. You can find every single contact that you saved here. Now find the group that you saved the contact in from the list. If you didn't select any group while saving, you can find that contact in the default group. Click on a contact to view more details. Here you can view and edit all the details about the saved contact. You can also directly call them from here by clicking the call icon. That's all for international calls in Easify Global. Thank you.